So guys, I'm going to show you how you can change the
Language.
in Castle movie app. So this is basically how the help center looks like. So if you don't understand this video, you can just go to the help center of this game. Just type in help center of Castle mode. So this is how it looks like. So this is what you need to do in order to change the language. You need to launch the Castle streaming app, and you need to navigate to profile or settings, and then you need to go to language and region settings, and you select your preferred language, and all you need to do is to confirm the language change and content, subtitle, and audio carriage changer. So it is a very straightforward method, and the main method now is to start the Castle streaming app in your desired language. Note that after changing the app's language and adjusting your preferences for subtitles or audio, you can use the rest of the app in that language. So I hope you found this content useful, and I hope it has helped you, and see you in the next video.